So the topic is JSP Java Beans. So how to embed Java Beans into JSP. Okay, recall that a Java Bean is a Java class which is a reusable software component which follows the following conventions. The first thing is it should have no argument constructor. This is optional statement. Don't worry about this. It should have all private variables. It should be serializable. It should have setter and getter methods to set and retrieve the values of bean properties. Okay, so remember that set method is a mutator and get method is an accessor method. Okay, let's see one code of bean. So see here, I have created a class, bean called student. In that bean I have two properties. First one is roll number and the second one is yes name. Okay, so this is nothing but setter method. You see here, public void set roll number. So here int roll number, so I am placing here some variable int n and roll number equal to n. And another one is public void set yes name string yes name. See here string and here also string. Okay, now coming to getter method, public void get roll number. See here roll number, roll number. So data type is int, so here data type is int, return roll number. Like this you have to prepare one Java pin. Okay, right. So now I have saved it in here. So go to here student, some compiling it, java c hyphen d. I'm creating directory in the home folder and the program name is student.b. Okay, java c hyphen d student.b. Sorry, I have to make it as student.java. Okay, so observe here a package is created with p. Okay, so you have to place this student.class file under web apps folder. You see here, so Apache Tomcat web apps, under web apps I have created a folder called beans. Under bean there is a folder called webinf. Under webinf there is a class called, under classes I have created package p, under package student.class. This is the path you have to set before using Java. See again, web apps, beans, webinf, classes. Under classes there is a package p, under package there is a student.class file. Okay, so now prepare a bean program. You see here, so that is about Java Bean. So to embed Java Beans into JSP, we are going to use some action tags. So JSP provides action tags to set and get the values of Java Bean. So Java Bean properties. And the first one is JSP use bean, use it to instantiate the bean class. And second one is set property to set the property value of the bean. And third one is get property to get the property value of the bean. Okay, now see here, for example, my student contains two properties. First one is roll number, second one is yes name. Okay, so see here, JSP use bean id equal to, so you have to put some id for that student bean. So I have using the id equal to st. Okay, you have to remember this name, and class equal to, you have to place like this. P stands for package. Under package there is a class file called student, p dot student. This is the syntax to instantiate student things. So next, so there are two properties. To set property you have to use like this, JSP set property name equal to, so this st means id st. Okay, the property is, for example, yes name. See here, yeah, for example yes name. Okay, to set the value you have to place a property equal to yes name, value equal to Ashok. For example, if you want to give like roll number, then property equal to roll number, value equal to 101. Okay, to retrieve the value you have to use JSP get property, name equal to st. See here, this st. Okay, and property equal to s. Okay, let's write the program. So this is the program. So under body I'm using JSP use bean, id equal to st, class equal to p dot student. Okay, then JSP set property name equal to st, so the property is roll number, value equal to 101. Again JSP set property name equal to st, property equal to sname, value equal to some name like Anil. You observe here I have called setter methods for both roll number and sname. Now to retrieve the values you have to use like this: JSP get property name equal to st, property equal to roll number. Okay, for another one JSP get property name equal to st, property equal to sname. That's it. Okay, you have to place this bean program in. See here, Tomcat web apps. Under web apps I have created a folder called beans. So I have created a folder under folder called web-inf to the, so bean must be placed parallel to web-inf folder. See here. Okay, under web-inf there is a folder called classes. Okay, so just start executing. So this is Apache Tomcat. So I'm giving my username and password. Okay, so my package name is beans. So bean dot just see here. Your roll number is 101. Your name is Anil. Okay, make sure you have to place your class file in web apps, some folder name, for example. Then only you have to execute your program. Okay, thank you.